guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today, we're going the breakfast route. We are making a poached egg. So we've been wanting to do a bit of a breakfast series for a while, just because we get tons of great organic eggs from Old 99 Farm in Dundas and Nick's Picks Organics. For this recipe, you will need our Neapolitan Herb Dark Balsamic. We're going to make that into a reduction that you can drizzle over that poached egg. Now, while everyone is eating their asparagus and fiddleheads, and they're in season now, I'm bringing the hosta back. You might have seen my video from last year, and I still get odd looks when I tell people that yes, you can eat hostas. I just wanted to bring these back because they're at just the right point where you can snip them off at the end, where they're nice and tightly bunched together. Basically, they taste just like kind of a mix between kale or spinach and asparagus. They are full of great vitamins for us. Rabbits eat them. We can eat them too. They're great for you. But let's get on to our recipe now. So we got two things going on here. First of all, you want to get out a big pot, fill it up with about, I have the water just to about where the handle comes to the pot. You just get that boiling until it comes to a nice boil, and then we're going to turn that down to low till there's barely a boil. For the reduction, we have our couple tablespoons of Neapolitan herb in here. We're just going to keep that on medium heat and keep stirring until it gets nice and thick. So as you can see, our balsamic has reduced to almost half. We're almost there. It's getting nice and thick. As well, our water is coming to a boil, so we'll be ready to drop our eggs in very soon. But first, we're going to show you a couple tricks. Now, these tricks I'm about to tell you, I learned from another YouTube channel. It's called Downshiftology. Her name is Lisa. She's got tons of great tips on how to make different things, including different ways to do eggs. So, first of all, we have some eggs from Old 99 Farm. They are beautiful. I am ready to make these. First, what you're going to need is a small bowl and a little sieve. So why am I doing this way? Well, the trick to this is that if you don't want a lot of wisps on your egg, so to speak, this is going to separate the wateriness from the yolk and the white. So, first of all, you just want to gently drop your egg in there. As you can see, it's separating some of the more watery parts of the egg. Once you have this part of it, you just want to get a little ramekin or something like this. Drop the egg in there, and then repeat for the second egg. Now, when I was first telling you guys what you needed for this recipe, I kind of lied. You need one more thing that is actually a new product in our store. We now have a champagne wine vinegar. It is imported from France. It's got a beautiful acidity to it. So as you can see, we've turned this down to minimum heat. You just want just barely a bubble in there. For the champagne vinegar, you only need a tablespoon in there. Basically, this is going to help the eggs coagulate. So basically what I'm making here is a vortex. This is going to help keep the form of the eggs. So once you have the vortex going, you want to drop that first egg in. As you can see, it forms a nice form right there. That's what you want exactly for a poached egg. As you can see, because we removed the thinner part of the egg, you're not getting as many of those wisps and getting your pot all full of them. So that looks perfect. We're going to set our timer for 3 minutes. And that will normally give you the perfect white on the outside and still a nice runny yolk on the inside. So our 3 minutes are up. I'm just going to try to get this into my slotted spoon nice and gently. Gently now. That looks perfect. That's got a nice bounce to it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just putting it in another container with some cool water, because I want it to stop cooking, and I'm going to do my second egg. Now for our hostas, I'm breaking up the big boy of our Nocelata extra virgin olive oil. It is a nice medium intensity oil, so I'm just going to throw this in my pan. Oh, our toast is ready. And I'm going to set this to about medium heat. Just throw my hostas in here. I'm so excited to eat these again. They were delicious the last time. I'm very excited. Once these get nice and bright green, I'm going to throw our Bologna herbal salt in there. So that is sea salt, comes straight from Italy. It has garlic, sage, black pepper, and it's delicious. You can use it for anything. Oh, there's rosemary in there as well. Doesn't that look enticing? And I mean enticing, not egg-ticing, enticing. Now, optional, you could put some chili flakes on top of this. I'm going to forego that this time. Let's get our yolk shot. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it. Let's get a little bite here too. Oh, that's pretty. Mm-hmm. 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 Big bite. That is absolute poached egg perfection. Lisa, you really knew what you were doing when you found out how to make the perfect poached egg. We're going to put the link to her video down below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. In our store, it is the champagne wine vinegar imported right from France. This is a delicious acidic balsamic, or not a balsamic, it's vinegar. I want to bring hostas back. These guys, they're great for you. They are full of just great things. Yeah, no. And what you will need is that you'll need about a tablespoon just to drop into your water. I forget her reasoning behind that.
Coagulates the...
Right, right, yes. So when I first told you what you needed for this rest, I can't talk.